Hey guys, my next video is on this listed as broken screen on Facebook Marketplace for about 30 quid. And it was listed as broken, so basically sold as seen. I'm going to make it run with a Raspberry Pi and prove that you don't always need to buy new to have things work. And this screen got a few days ago, and it's haven't tested it much. This will be the first run on it. And as you can see in the background, I'm not going to discuss too much about the Raspberry Pi because I've already done it on a previous video. If you want to watch that, then bash on and you'll see how to run up the Pi. So this is my old Raspberry Pi that I was going to bin or just sell anyway. So I'm just doing this as a test. I'm going to run up the XMRig software on this Pi just to make sure it works, and I'm going to skip through the process of it installing and then a little update on the mining at the minute of what we're doing. So we'll skip to the Pi working, and we'll get a little bit more on the mining update and if it's been worth it so far. So as we can see, the Pi is fired up on the screen that was deemed to be broken. I have been running the mining software for about a good couple of hours. It's accepted a few jobs and is working okay. Again, the setup I done was on one of my previous videos with the MinerGate pool, and please use your own pool address for your wallet. And I'm going to do a couple of little updates here of how profitable the mining has been for me so far. Currently on my Honeygain mining, I'm on about $3.83 full profit. It's not worth it properly. It's probably only just paying the electric, but it's showing you it can be done. If you have a more powerful PC than my Mac M1, you may get more gains. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just a case of I've managed to make it work, and I have no knowledge of mining going into this. But I'm back mining again on unmineable.com, as I'm still currently banned from MinerGate pool because there's still somebody mining on my behalf that haven't used their own details. It's a little bit tricky to explain, however, I will be back mining there soon. I'm nearly at 1 XMR coin on Unmineable, which currently stands at the time of filming was about £130. I'd be welcome to take it, but I may just invest it back into the crypto and see what I can do just for fun, given that it wasn't mine to start with. And so at the end of this video, I'm going to post a link to my friends over at Esteem Clydesdale. This is not a paid promotion. This is purely for charity. They are a mental health charity based in Lanarkshire, up in Scotland, and they are called Esteem Clydesdale. So they're supporting mental health and suicide awareness. This is for male, female, and anything in between. And they run charity events. They also are fully confidential. Whatever you say to them will not be diverse to anywhere else. Their website is currently under construction. However, I'm going to try and give them a hand pushing that forward and getting it out there properly. But at the minute, it's just their Facebook. They will have some reach out numbers and contact by Facebook, and there is an email link to contact as well. Please give them a little like as well on Facebook, and if you like these videos, please give a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next couple of videos. And just a little snippet preview of what I'm going to do on my next couple of videos. As I managed to get the Raspberry Pi working on a broken screen, or deemed broken, I'm going to test it with a Raspberry Pi. Then I will do a separate video for Raspberry Pi 4, and I'm going to do that with Xbox Cloud Gaming on there. So my Xbox downstairs, it'll be streamed up to the Pi 4 upstairs, probably wireless at the minute, and then I'll try again with the wire and see how it works. And yeah, so I'm a big believer of reusing tech. If it's broken, I'll try and fix it and then run it into the ground properly, like mining on a CPU before they get donated to a nursery or something, or just recycled. Um, so yes, and I just bought a Mac Pro 1.3 or 3.1. It's got boot issues, so I'm going to try and repair that. Esteem Clydesdale Facebook page. They, again, you send them a message. You can find more information about themselves. They run in charity events for Gary Falls at the minute. Get your tickets there. And again, anybody's ever feeling crap, give them a message, reach out to them, or you can pop in and see them if you are local to Lanark itself, right in the middle of the high street. And as I said earlier, I've put a little link on my not my Facebook, my YouTube page, Esteem Clydesdale here. You click that link, it'll go straight to their Facebook page. And yeah, again, if you haven't already, give a little like and subscribe. And the final part of this video is, as promised, I'm going to refresh this while we're here. This coin of XMR pays out Monero at about 0.03. So at the time of filming, 0.03 XMR coin at this time of filming is £124.77. So that would give me a £3.74. So I'm going to keep this running until I get a full coin, as I think it'd be more worth it. Yeah, there's not much profit in it, but I'm just doing this for fun and to start off this YouTube. And yes, and the last final one before I have to forget is the Honeygate. Now I'm going to minimize this dude, bring this one over. As you can see, I'm using a jump task wallet for the Wi-Fi mining. In my wallet just now, I have $2.82 and $1 unclaimed, but I'm not going to transfer that just now because there is a gas fee, and that's just the price it is to transfer in the blockchain itself. However, I have done a few tester transactions of barely anything just to make sure it is working. I'm down to one computer on this just now, but I'm going to have a couple more getting fired up and make a separate IP address because you can only have two computers or devices running on the Honeygate at one point in time. Again, if you want to get money off your joining for Honeygate, follow this link, the https:/r.honeygate.me/Bruce, which is my name, and the little code there. That doesn't really benefit me, but you get $5 free. Now you can either stay on the Honeygain wallet and you can pay out on your PayPal once you get to $20. So at that point in time, it's 5.13 because I've been using my jump task. Or you can use your jump task wallet through it is MetaMask. Apart from that, again, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do, and stay tuned for more videos and how-tos. Thanks again for watching this video, and again, pay a little visit to Esteem Clydesdale, give them a little share and a like, and we'll try and raise some pennies for them in the future.